Hello iPhone users, so this video is for you. If you want to use the back tap feature. Now what it is, basically you will tap the back of your phone and something will happen in your iPhone. For this you have to go to the settings and tap on accessibility, right? Then you have to tap on touch option, then slide it down and tap on back top. Now there will be two options, one of double tap and other of triple tap. So if you will tap twice on the back of your iPhone, then something will happen whichever we will select, and similarly if you tap thrice then something will happen. The phone went on mute when I double tap as it was selected. Now in triple tap I selected volume up, so I triple tap my phone from back and the volume goes up, but if I triple tap down, will go down because I selected the volume down. So I'm quickly showing you some examples so you can be aware of how it is done and what you have to do. So these are the option of screenshot, control center, camera, app switch. In both double tap and triple tap there are same option, so you can select it whichever you want it for double tap and triple tap. You just have to remember it. Once you start doing, you will get habitual and it is going to be very easy and helpful for you, right? Most useful feature only if you know how to use it, and I told you how to use it, so it's your time to try it out. See you in the next video. Tada.